Kia ora koutou katoa, no mai hoki mai ki pukero pao.
Welcome back everyone, we hope you've had a fantastic week. We've have another jam-packed episode to share with you today.
That's right! From important life skills outside the classroom to creative performances right here at school, our tamariki have been incredibly busy.
We'll also be taking a look at a massive refresh of an awesome school incentive program.
Let's get straight into it!
First up today, we are looking at our school manga system, which has just been given an exciting refresh by an amazing Mana Motuhake team.
For those who don't know, the manga system is a school-wide incentive designed to support positive behavior for learning across our kura.
To see how the refresh is going, we ran around and interviewed a couple of our kaiako and their classes to get their thoughts. Let's see what they had to say.
What does the manga system do?
Kia ora. So our manga system shows good behaviour in class.
How does it affect your kids?
It does a great effect on our tamariki. It encourages positive behaviour, listening to the kaiako and finishing our mahi.
What are your top kids in the class?
Oh, I have all the kids are top kids in this class, tamariki ma. So at the moment, as you can see, we've got our cool little stairway up here where the kids will come up the steps and move their little picture. We start here in the green and then they make their way up to the maunga. When they get to the top, they get to te uru o te whetū, where they get a little ticket that gets taken down to the front office for Mr. Whata to call their name at assembly. Shall we demonstrate?
Sure.
Awesome. Okay, watch this, e te whānau. Ka pai. Sitting up straight, tamariki mā, koi, ke te noho pai. Ke te noho pai aha. Ka pai. Okay, he pātai tāku. Whakatū mai tō ringa, mihi mea e mohio ana koe hi hanga rerekētanga o te pikitia tū karoto.
Kana te māma i kona ki te kōrero kāo.
Ka pai, tino pai, piki te maunga. Okay, that's how we do piki te maunga and tiki one. Paki paki tamariki mā.
How do you get peke te manga?
We have to be good and we move our picture.
That's pretty cool. What do you get from te peke o te manga when you get to the top?
We get te uru o te whetū, which is a ticket,
Where do you put the ticket?
inside a box in the office.
Isn't the box where someone picks out a name from it and then you take the name out of the take a fidget out of the box?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Paki mai tō tūkaroto. What are the different labels mean?
So the different labels here, these are all ingoa from around the motu. So we've got te kauai o te moa, te rerenga a ihinga, which is the first row, te piha our second, rangi haka the third, and te tihi o ngongo taha, which represents the maunga just behind our school as well.
Cool, that's all.
Awesome. Thank you guys. Thank you for visiting Tiki One. Mihi atu.
Got some questions, alright? Okay, what is the manga system about?
If you be good, then you can go up the Mana and every afternoon you get more. If you listen, you can go up.
If you be naughty, you go into the green zone. If you be naughty again, you go into room 10.
First one. If you go to order to fit you get to whatever.
Ka pai to everyone showing those positive behaviors. It is awesome to see our manga system helping everyone climb to new heights.
Next up, we are diving into the pool for the Swim Safe swimming program.
Last week, our Year 2 and 3 classes had their turn, and this week, it was time for the Year 5 toida to hit the water.
This fantastic program is run by the team at Rotorua Aquatic Centre, teaching our tamariki essential water safety and basic swimming skills. Let's check out the action from the pool.
Hi, what is your name?
I'm Rosie.
And what is our school doing today?
You guys are doing Water Skills for Life program, learning survival skills.
And what sort of skills are they learning?
So they are learning the skills, so say if they fall out of a boat or end up falling into deep water, they're learning survival skills so they can keep their head above the water and not drown. So they're learning how to scull, how to float, things like that, just ways to conserve the energy.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you guys, are we listening? Very good. Okay, today we're going to go over a lot of things that we've already done, so you guys should know all these things, eh? Very good. Yeah, we're going to go over sculling, we're going to go over our treating again. We might do some ropes again, but we got to listen, make sure we're listening. We're going to do a step in off of here, okay? Not yet. We'll have 2 people on at a time. We'll step in and we'll try and go all the way down. Are we listening? We'll go all the way down there without sculling, okay? And I want you guys to try and not touch the lane rope or the wall. We're going to try and get all the way down there without touching the wall or the lane rope, just using your sculling, yeah? Okay, 2 at a time. Big step, go. Go.
What was the skill that they just did?
So they were practicing floating on their back to conserve energy and calling for help. It's quite hard to call for help lifting your arm up, so it was just practicing how that feels, and then when they feel tired, floating again.
And what is the skill that they are doing right now?
Yeah, so this time they're going to be practicing rotating, spinning in the water, and also rolling from their front to their tummy. So this is, say, floating out in the middle of a lake, need to be able to spin around to look to see where they can get for help, or the practicing going from tummy to front is also just a skill. They need to go under something, or yeah.
Thank you.
Way! Staying safe in the water is such an important skill for our kids. A big mihi to the Rotorua Aquatic Centre for helping us learn.
Finally, this week, we've had some very special visitors bring a lot of laughter and energy to our school hall.
The wonderful performers from Duffy Theatres put on an incredible show for our tiki and Pāniwa Marama classes.
Duffy Books and Homes does an amazing job providing books to schools to encourage a love for reading. And the travelling actors put on a show every year to inspire our students. Let's look at some highlights from the performance.
Hello, how are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bonjour, namaste. It's time to come and play. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Everybody, let's run them back again. Make fucking lua, sorry, va. Who's making it rain? Who's making it cool? Rima, mono, bitu, va. Whichever reason, I love to go to school. I got chapters in my heart. It breaks my brain. Reading is the thing that keeps me on and they gon' play. If you wanna be cool and you wanna have aura, you better realize because I'm the top.
That looked like so much fun. We love getting stuck into a good book, and that show definitely made everyone excited to read more.
What an awesome and busy week it has been here at Rotorua Primary.
It sure has! From the pool to the stage, our students are doing amazing things!
Make sure you like and hit that subscribe button and share our channel so our whole whānau can keep up with everything happening in our kura. Okay, Mauri ora kia. Oh, I did it. Oh, we'll do the last part on this one. 3, 2, 1.